Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable vibration in new mail on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. Then in the sounds and haptics, go to sounds and haptics pattern section, then choose the new mail. Then in the new mail, click the vibration. Then after that, if you want to enable the vibration in new mail, just click the standard pattern in this part. And if you want to disable the vibration in new mail, just scroll down and click the none, which is the default vibration. And your vibration in your mail is now disabled. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled vibration in new mail on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.